Model, 2019 VAUXHALL VIVARO 1.6CDTI 120PS Unrecorded damaged salvage body, silver, panel van mileage, 76,925 engine, 1,598 cc 1.6120 PS E6 transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary. The engine on this feels fine, we've turned it over by hand and it feels brilliant, but the wiring loom is damaged. Make what you want of it. Grin condition summary, accident damaged, this is not recorded and the insurance did not pay out as it was drunk driving incident. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows, EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap, retail, £9,850. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401